Welcome to another video in the lead magnet training video series. Today we're going to find out how to optimize your lead magnet landing page. You will find the previous training videos in the lead generation playlist of my channel. The goal with these videos is to help you create a lead magnet fairly quickly and with confidence so that you can attract your potential customer and start making those sales. To obtain this goal, it is important to follow along and implement what you've learned. If you haven't yet, you can sign up for your free Groove CM account using my referral link groove.onlinelaunchhub.com. In our last video, we have created our ebook cover with Canva. We have created a professional looking mock-up and we have downloaded this mock-up to our Groove CM landing page. Today we are going to edit our PLR copy to optimize our landing page. Firstly, let's take a look at our PLR pack that we've downloaded. So here is my PLR pack that I've downloaded. We can go to the squeeze page, which is also known as the opt-in page, and then we can go down to the index. So here you can see a template of the squeeze page, the opt-in page. We will use some of this copy for our own landing page. So let's head over to Groove and start working on our landing page. Right, so I've signed into my Groove account. We are on the dashboard. It might look a little different than yours if you have a free account, as I've upgraded to the paid account. Let's go to Groove Pages, Groove Funnels over here. And let's open the editor to the site we've started to create. We can go to the left hand side to Funnels and we can click on our home page. Can just make it bigger. So here we are on our landing page that we're going to use for our lead magnet. You can see here is the mock-up that we've created and uploaded in our last video. So today we're going to take a look at the copy of our landing page. Firstly, we're going to have a look at our headline. Just a few pointers on headlines. It should grab your visitors' attention. They should stay long enough to want to read the rest of your content and learn more about your offer, your lead magnet. Your lead magnet should be so valuable that they want to give their contact details in exchange for your lead magnet. The headline should clearly state the benefits your visitor will get when downloading your lead magnet. It should be clear, compelling, and concise. It should offer a specific solution to a key issue that your visitor is struggling with. It should also deliver on the promise you've made to get them to your landing page. I've discovered a nice free headline analyzer tool called Co-Schedule. And I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but let's head over there and see how we can optimize our headline for search engines, traffic, etc. Here we are on coschedule.com's website. Alright, so I've signed into my account and we're going to take a look at the headline that the PLR pack that this template uses. Let's copy and paste it in here and let's analyze. So you can see the headline score is only 49. You can go through these tips and tweak your headline so that you can get a higher score. I've tweaked my headline a bit with the tips found here. So let's copy and paste the new headline and see how it's doing. By tweaking my headline a bit, it gives a new score of 78. So let's use this and let's go over to Groove Funnels. Alright, so let's copy and paste our new headline in here. And you see this is too big, so let's change the size. We can also change the font here. Let's make it, for example, Poppins. We can also change the color. For example, this red color over here. And then we can change the size. There you go. Next, we're going to create a sub-headline. The sub-headline elaborates on your headline and helps to further convince your visitor to opt in to your lead magnet. Right, for our sub-headline, we go to Elements again, Text, and then we can use H2 and drag and drop it over here. We actually want it below the headline, so we drop it down there. I've already created the sub headline, so we can just copy and paste it in here. There you go. We can perhaps center align this. So let's go over to text and center align our text. There you go. This looks better. So now we've got our headline and sub headline. The rest of the copy should make a compelling case for how valuable your lead magnet is. You can create a list of bulleted points to explain how your lead magnet will solve the issue and the benefits to your visitor. So let's do this. We can go over to Elements again, go down to Lists and choose any of these list elements. For this example, we're going to use a regular list. We can drag and drop it over here. We can actually delete this container over here, this element. And now we can start copying and pasting from our template over here. It's got a title and bulleted points. So let's go over to Elements and create our title. Can drag and drop it over here. We can just copy and paste from our PLR template. There you go. And we can copy and paste from this bulleted list. Copy and paste it in the text element over here. There you go. And then we can there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet points. So let's copy and paste it so that we have 5 bullet points. Just make sure you're not in text when you copy and paste, but in list regular. So there you go. We use this one to copy, and we can do one more. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can just go and copy and paste these over onto here. Over here you can put a testimonial of somebody who has read your lead magnet, who has read your special report, and you can just type it out here. As we are going for simple, we actually don't need the rest of these blocks, and we can delete all of them. You can see block, delete, confirm. Next one, block, delete, confirm. And the next one, block, delete, confirm. And the last one. There you go. So now we have a simple landing page. We can also just work on the spacing over here. As you see, it's very tight. So we can go to this one, for example, this element, and go to spacing over here. And just make it a little bit bigger. For example, you can also do it on here. Make it, for example, 14. There you go, that looks better. And for example, this one, you can put space between these two elements as well. You can go there and put a little bit of space over there. Maybe make it 12. There you go. You can even change the color so that it perhaps looks the same as your button color, or as this color. We can even change this, the text maybe to free special report. Perhaps change the color to blue. Change the color over here to blue as well. There you go. That looks a bit better. In our next video, we are going to take a look at our opt-in form. See you in the next video. Bye bye.